ChatGPT has become my new best friend. I'm not even kidding.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know.
I don't use it.
You don't use it?
No, what is it? Tell Grandpa what it is. Come on.
You go in and you edit it based on your own stuff. Like, oh, I wouldn't have thought of wording it that way.
I think it makes you dumber. It makes you so much dumber. Just do it yourself.
I have gotten a lot dumber. I will agree. I resemble that remark.
I didn't want to say anything, but since you brought it up.
I do feel aging coming on here, and if I can rely on hacks and tricks to help me with just like not having to hold so much goddamn information in my brain at one time, I'm okay with that.
I don't know. I think you need to come up with Alex Winter on your own.
What are you talking? What's Alex Winter?
You don't even remember. It was like literally the last thing we talked about. Alex Winter, come up with his name on your own. He was he was
from
Keanu
Waiting
Reeves.
for Godot. Well, you
Yeah,
did
see?
Google. You still went online and figured it out.
Oh,
Anytime you
Throw
have
me
a
under the
question,
bus.
you just go to Google. But